Today is a beach day.
So, here we are in the beach, and I have the GoPro right now, and I'm going to go swimming in the ocean. Kind of wish the waves were a little bigger, but you know, that's fine. I'm not gonna really go swimming, just like jump around with the waves. Here we go!
Body. Maya, how was your foot massage?
Good.
It was good? Was it relaxing?
Yeah.
Would you get another one?
Yes.
Yeah? Thank you. Can I get one for her too, please? Thank you. Yeah. Come on.
Come on.
Very nice. Yeah, thank you.
Come on.
Does that look like what you expected?
Actually, it doesn't. I expected the top to be more white, but it looks good.
Thank you.
Come on. Chicken
No problem. Come on.
I tried.
Thank you.
Oh, it smells so good. Oh, can I eat the gold?
When I was going to give my final review of this place, I actually was going to give it a negative for the food. Everything here has been great, but the food has been kind of subpar. But this meal has really saved that. This is some good food. So if you stay at the Centara Sandy Beach Resort in Da Nang, Vietnam, and you order food, this is my recommendation. Do not order pizza, especially room service. It was the soggiest pizza I've ever seen in my life. Do not order the Caesar salad. In my opinion, it was awful. Didn't taste anything like Caesar salad. Don't order a cheeseburger at the beach bar. It's just not very good. It wasn't terrible, but blah, nothing special. Don't order the ribs, barbecue ribs. Barbecue sauce here is not like barbecue sauce back in the States. I don't know about in other countries, but it just wasn't that good. And worse than that, though, is just the ribs were really dry. But feel free to order the pork cutlet. I can't remember what it's called right now. I'll splice that in here in a second. Also, have the coconut soup. It was really, really good. It's kind of got a curry flavor to it. Maya's penne carbonara was also very good. The garlic bread was very good. The lime juice is very good. I had a Singapore sling, also very good. So those are our recommendations for food dining options here. Again, I was going to give a serious no, thumbs down to the food at this resort. Everything else at the resort's been great, but I was going to give a serious thumbs down to the food until the meal tonight. The meal tonight pulled it out of the depths.
Thank you for watching our video.
If you enjoyed it, feel free to watch another.
Like one of these popping up on the side.
Also, please subscribe to find out what new adventures await us.
And don't forget to click on the bell for an instant notification.